Racing Jazz is started with Dixie Wind. Break quickly restored. Super Spicy. Moving upon the outside. Minor Cutter. Down on the inside. Then comes Movie Title. Rushing up is Asikaso. Pampangueño. In between horses comes Best Guys. Then next online is Rochelle's Gift. While Sharp as ever is the early trailer by about 20 lengths of the leader. Racing down the backstretch, we have Dixie Wind by about 2 lengths. Super is Spicy is right behind in second. And in third now, moving up is Asikaso. Minnow Cutter is done in fourth. And in fifth, moving up, running by the rail, is Best Guys. Rochelle's Gift comes next, Movie Title. Then next online, Pampangueño, while Sharp as ever is still racing in last. And the fourth turn, we have Dixie Wind. Super is Spicy. Now moving upon the outside and now says it's my turn to take the lead. We have Super is Spicy. Darling Kenny Hop, Dixie Wind in second as they swing to Rumba. Super Spicy maintaining a 6 lengths lead. Dixie Wind in second. Best Guys moving up down on the inside. And on the outside is Rochelle's Gift. Last 50 meters. The curtain closes. Super Spicy. Best Guys third close. Rochelle's Gift, Dixie Wind, Pampangueño.
Numero 4, Super Spicy. Ang siyang unang tuwad sa ating finish line, winner by JB Hernandez. Then na segunda nga, yung 5 Best Guys, Rochelle's Gift, Dixie.